Can you read this book?
Sorry, son, I cannot read.
Can you tell me what's inside this shirt? What's this? And here is Mother Moon.
Dad, can you buy me a book?
Sure, I can get one for myself too.
Can somebody read what I have written on the blackboard? J.
I can run and I can jump.
Let's go to the library and borrow some books. We can read together.